Remember when SUVs were just boring boxes on wheels? Well, this Spaniard didn't get that memo. Meet the 2025 Cupra Formentor VZ, an SUV that thinks it's a hot hatch and packs enough punch to embarrass quite a few sports cars. Take a look at those sharp LED headlights and that aggressive stance. The copper trim, Cupra's signature touch, adds just enough bling without going over the top. That sloping roofline? Pure drama. And unlike most coupe SUVs, this one actually pulls it off. Let's talk power. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine pushing out 333 horsepower. Pair that with all-wheel drive and a quick-shifting dual-clutch gearbox, and you'll hit 60 in just 4.8 seconds. That's proper hot hatch territory. But straight-line speed is only part of the story. Point this thing down a twisty road, and it comes alive. The steering feels sharp and communicative, like cars used to feel before everything went digital. The adaptive suspension keeps things flat through corners, while soaking up bumps during daily drives. Inside, you're greeted by some seriously supportive bucket seats and a dashboard that looks like it was inspired by a Lamborghini. The new 12.9-inch touchscreen dominates the center, and yes, it's finally quick enough to keep up with your inputs. Though those touch-sensitive climate controls are about as cooperative as a cat at bath time. You get all the tech you'd expect: wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a voice assistant that responds to hola hola. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Kind of like my high school Spanish. Switch it into Cupra mode, and everything tightens up like it's had a triple espresso. The exhaust gets louder, the throttle response sharpens, and suddenly your school run feels like a mini adventure. Yet here's the clever bit. It never feels too hardcore. You can actually live with this thing every day. Now, you might be thinking, great, another impractical sporty SUV. But hold on. There's decent space for 4 adults, though that swoopy roof means your tall friends might want to call shotgun. The boot offers 420 liters of space, enough for a family's worth of groceries or weekend bags. At 51,000 pounds, it's not cheap, but it undercuts rivals like the BMW X2 M35i while offering more standard equipment. Plus, you're getting something genuinely different here. When was the last time you saw another Cupra on the road? So here's the bottom line. The Formentor VZ isn't perfect. The interior has a few cheap bits, those touch controls can be frustrating, and it's not the quietest thing on the highway. But you know what? None of that really matters because this car has something that's becoming increasingly rare in modern SUVs: character. It's fun when you want it to be, comfortable when you need it to be, and turns heads everywhere it goes. In a world where most SUVs are about as exciting as watching paint dry, the Formentor VZ is like a splash of vibrant Spanish color in a sea of grayscale conformity. If you're tired of the usual German suspects and want something that'll make your neighbors ask, "What is that?" while keeping a smile on your face every time you drive it, this spicy Spaniard might just be your next car. That's my take on the 2025 Cupra Formentor VZ. Let me know in the comments what you think about this Spanish hot SUV, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Until next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.